Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download Google Gemini on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And as you can see here, I use Wi-Fi and mobile data. And here I'm gonna disable it for the mobile data and I'm gonna only use my Wi-Fi, guys. So if you wanna download it, just go ahead to this app store on your phone. I'm gonna tap on it and open it. And after this page, simply just tap on this search icon at the bottom. After, at the top we'll find out here the search bar. You just have to tap on this, the Google Gemini, guys. And now just tap on this search button at the bottom, the blue button. And after, if it is like this, you will find out the Google Gemini applications that you want to download it. You just have to tap on this get button to download the Google Gemini, guys. So here, I'm gonna tap on this get button. I'm gonna tap on it like this. After, you just have to wait for a moment until the downloading is done. Here, maybe I'm gonna speed it up for the video while downloading these applications. And yeah, guys, when it's done, the get button before it will change to this open button. So if it is already downloaded, you just have to close this app store. After, you just have to check on this home screen, and this is the Google Gemini application that I mean. We can set up right now and use it. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.